Have you ever wondered why the stock market behaves like a toddler on a sugar rush? One minute it's all smiles, and the next it's a meltdown in aisle 3. Well, pull up a chair because today we're diving into the latest stock market shenanigans. And it's quite the roller coaster ride. Picture this. You're at a party, and you spy Amazon and StarBUX in the corner, sipping their fancy cocktails. Suddenly Amazon trips over its own feet, spilling its drink all over its financial reports. Meanwhile, StarBUX, with its Frappuccino in hand, has a smug look on its face as it posts its latest earnings. It's a scene straight out of the financial version of Mean Girls. Now let's shift our gaze to Pinterest. It's like the artsy kid at the party who's always up to something. One day it's making the biggest moves in the market, and the next day it's quietly sketching out its next big idea in the corner. Advanced Micro Devices, on the other hand, is like the cool geek at the party. It's not always the life of the party, but when it does something, you better believe it's going to be big. Now don't get me wrong, the stock market isn't all fun and games. It's more like a game of chess with a dash of poker, mixed with a sprinkle of roulette. It's a complicated dance, and just when you think you've got the rhythm, the DJ changes the song. To sum it up, the stock market is like a high school drama. There's always something happening, and it's hard to keep up. Just remember, one day, Amazon might be the prom queen, and the next, it could be sitting in detention. So, keep your eyes on the prize and don't let the drama distract you from your financial goals. In the end, it's important to remember that the stock market is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get, but with a little bit of knowledge and a healthy dose of humor, you can navigate the ups and downs like a pro. And so, we close the curtain on today's episode of As the Stock Market Turns. Until next time, keep your portfolio close and your sense of humor closer.